Hi there, this is Kingsley. So this is the Oraimo Freepods Pro. Since I got these earbuds, they have automatically replaced the other more expensive earbuds that I have unintentionally. Now why do I say unintentionally? I keep going back to them even when I don't want to, because there is something about the sound quality that it produces, the fitting and the ear comfort, the battery life, the design, and above all, the active noise cancelling. All of these for a price that will leave your jaws on the floor.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
Alright, so the design of the Oraimo Freepods Pro is quite interesting. They come inside this glossy case that looks similar to the Apple AirPods Pro case. There is the Oraimo branding in front of the case, and there is also a button that you can press to reset the device to factory defaults. And right above that button, you have an LED indicator which tells you the different battery levels. If it flashes red for 2 seconds and goes off, it means that the battery is low. Orange means that the battery level is in the middle. Green means that the battery level is full or sufficient enough. At the bottom of the case, there is a USB Type-C port which takes over an hour 50 minutes to charge the device from 0 to 100%. And also, they were kind enough to include this free silicone pouch inside the packaging, which adds more style to the case of the Freepods Pro. With this silicone pouch, you can attach them to your keys, you can attach it to the waist of your jean or your backpack or whatever, and it's going to give you that premium vibe and make it look really cool. The Freepods Pro are designed in such a way that you can wear them for very long hours without noticing they are there. You can have them in your ears without noticing you even have something in your ears, only when probably it makes a sound. When you open the charging case, you will find the Oraimo Freepods Pro inside. The buds are designed with plastic like every other bud. There is an LED indicator at the top of both Freepods. The right bud will start blinking green and red to indicate that it's ready to pair. The LED indicators at the top of both Freepods also indicate the battery level of the individual buds. At the bottom, there is a microphone for voice calls and contact points where the device charges from the case. There is a noise cancelling sensor here which makes contact with your skin and becomes active. To set up the Oraimo Freepods is quite easy. Just turn on the Bluetooth of your phone and bring them close together with the lids of the Freepods case open. Your phone will automatically detect the presence of the Freepods and it will pop up on your screen. Just click connect and you're good to go. But if for some reason you don't see the pop-up, then just open your Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. Then just connect to the Oraimo Freepods Pro. And that's it, you're ready to start rocking. The Oraimo Freepods Pro has 70 mAh battery on each of the buds, and it has an additional 510 mAh battery on the case. The battery can last up to 13 hours, and the case gives you additional 30 hours without the active noise cancellation on. It can last up to 10 hours with the active noise cancelling on, and the case will provide an additional 23 hours. But for me, with just a single charge, I can use them up to 2 to 3 days before I will have the need to charge them again. With all I've said, I know the question that is on your mind right now. Kingsley, how good is the sound quality? Now, as a reviewer and somebody that deals with stuff like this, I have tested a lot of earbuds, both the very expensive ones and the very cheap ones. And believe me when I say these earbuds are good. When I mean good, it's exceptionally good. Usually, I would say something like the sound quality is good for the price. But in this case, the sound quality is better than the price. I have put this thing to the test with the Apple AirPods Pro. And honestly, it's hard to say this, but they sound better than the AirPods Pro. And the AirPods Pro costs 3 times or 4 times the amount that the Oraimo Freepods Pro cost. The active noise cancelling on the Oraimo Freepods Pro is one of the best I have heard on any earbuds in a very long time, particularly for this price. The active noise cancelling is turned on by default. Once you put both buds in your ears for the first time, the first thing the buds will do is try to block off surrounding sounds and isolate you. And if you start playing music or watching a video, it even gets better. You will be lost in a world of your own, alone and able to concentrate on whatever you are listening to or watching. Whenever I am out in a public place that is very noisy, I just put the Freepods Pro on and turn on active noise cancelling and keep unwanted noise out. But how do you turn on or turn off active noise cancelling when the Freepods Pro does not have an app? Which is one of the problems I have with it. I mean, even some knockoff earbuds have an app to at least control stuffs. Well, thankfully, you can do it manually with the Oraimo Freepods Pro. But I think they should build an app for this device because the device is just too good not to have an app to control basic settings. First off, the Freepods Pro have the basic wireless earbud controls. You can tap once on any of the buds to play music, you can tap twice to skip to the next track, and you can triple tap to return to the previous track. You can also tap once to answer a call, and then tap and hold to reject the call. And the sensors are surprisingly super responsive. To toggle active noise cancelling on or off, tap and hold on the left earbud and release when you hear 2 beeps. This will toggle active noise cancelling on or toggle you back to transparency mode, which will make you be aware of your environment, and this will be done with the voice prompts. And active noise cancelling only works when both earbuds are placed in your ears. And if you like more bass like me, tap and hold on the left earbud and release when you hear 4 beeps, and a voice prompt will tell you that it has gone into high bass mode and the music will be more heavier and something. And this is a feature I like mostly when I'm in the gym lifting weights, like I'm playing some rap music or some hip hop music that gives me the motivation to lift weights. I just put it in high bass mode and turn on active noise cancelling. Boy, that is heaven. And also, for those of you who might be asking, calls are very clear. The microphone is very clear. I have been using it to make a lot of calls and never have I heard anybody from the other end tell me I can't hear you. Also, I use it to reply voice messages on WhatsApp and social media apps that I use, and the quality has been good. The Oraimo Freepods Pro currently costs 35,000 naira on the Oraimo digital store online, or around $60 or $65. Now, I think for $65, with all the features and the quality of the drivers that are inside these earbuds, I think it's a good bargain and a good deal that everybody should grab. Alright, so you guys let me know, do you use the Oraimo Freepods Pro? Have you tried it out before? What is your experience like? And will you like to try it? So let me hear from you, alright? Until the next time, my name is Kingsley. I'll catch you again. So you guys let me know, do you use the Oraimo Freepods Pro? Have you tried it out before? What is your experience like? And will you like to try it? So let me hear from you, alright? Until the next time, my name is Kingsley. I'll catch you again.